Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. We've got a wild courtroom scene to discuss. A defendant gets sentenced to jail time, completely loses it, and ends up getting body slammed, only making his situation far worse. Let's dive in.
Areas Gervonta Clients. 2 will be 716 2361.
Ready for the volume.
Michael Carvin, 7384 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
That area is
Ready for the volume.
What, are you bringing your kid to court because you know you're going to go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not playing.
Don't play games with me. I don't want people playing games with me.
I don't play any type of.
Listen, you better call somebody and have them come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, you know what I call the case. What I'm going to do, I'm not quite sure. But I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody to get the child. I'll call a case when we're ready. And I'm telling you, if you leave, you're going to have a big problem with me. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, bringing your child to your sentencing probably wasn't the smartest move. Sure, some judges might see it as a positive gesture, but others view it very differently, often suspecting that the child is being used to tug at their emotions in hopes of getting a lighter
Yes,
sentence.
Tiberius Gervonta Bryant. Field 4, please, 716-3361. Are you guys hearing this case? Victims? No?
No, they're not.
All right, Mr. Kerman, your name?
Michael A. Carvin, 7384 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Bryant, come out to the podium, state your name. According to you, my name is again. Let's just double check it, Mr. Name. Timberly Dennis, Gurley, Margarita Bruno Hayward, Joseph Matthews. Are any of those individuals, bring Mr. Mohammed?
Yes.
Any of those individuals in here today? All right, it does not appear as though they're on Zoom. They did not step forward on the case when called. Mr. Carmen, why don't you and your client approach the podium, please, and tell me whether or not there's any material additions, corrections, or deletions.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working at Cosmic Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340. He'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. He just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. He's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next month.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of you.
You can roll down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware this is the BME vehicle to steal property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here. Well, less than 200, I'm sorry. This he pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed. He pled. Lisa, just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year, and count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
Yeah, and Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Tri-Area Stravante 1. It's a B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. It's a 1 year. Well, I just want you to be aware I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI full restitution. And none of it shows, so I'm not going to order any restitution elements.
And Judge, may I have does the court send notice to them or?
We did send those.
Okay.
Probation department did when I ordered the pre-sentence report.
So
Okay,
That makes sense. Thank you.
all right. Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Yeah, since my client, as you know, they're in custody of two young children, with this girl that he lives with. If he's got to go to jail, it's going to be very hard on our young man.
I get that it's going to be tough on his family if he ends up in jail. But think about the family whose car was broken into and whose privacy was violated. That's no small thing. It's hard on any family when a father goes to jail, which is exactly why responsible fathers put their kids first, while irresponsible ones choose antisocial behavior, like breaking into cars and stealing.
Before we go out, Chrissy. Steal? I mean, seriously,
I understand.
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. I mean, you sit and give me lip service, but you had a RNC motor vehicle in 2021, a domestic, where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had a retail fraud 23, were just convicted of felony retail theft in Illinois. We have another case you're bound over to the 33rd, bound over from here, stealing and retaining without consent a financial transaction device. If that's the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and there's a sentencing agreement in that case of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
Letting just inform the court.
No, I get it. I'm just telling you, he's got bench warrants out of the 34th for assault and battery. Bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3. The bench warrant for retail fraud 3 out of Southgate. Retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. You all got any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out, Your Honor. And
Lisa, can you run his lane again for me, please? This lane
Sure.
is a few days old. Let me just double check.
And my client indicated he's in contact with those courts.
You contact.
Yes, Your
What
Honor.
do you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and schedules.
Well, you haven't taken care of the warrants then, maybe.
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of them.
All right, I'm gonna just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've been unemployed, and then you were working at Fast Splash Car Wash. You collected money on a bridge card. You need to go back and get a GED or a diploma. You need to work harder. I don't know why you're not working. You need to work. That's your decision, though. But to go out and support a family by feeding all the time is not the answer.
Your Honor, he is working, and I updated the court on that.
I know you did, but still, this report was just done, right? This report was just, let me just double check this. I ordered the pre-sentence report on March 25th. I'm just telling you that they reported then that he was unemployed for the past 8 months. Why were you unemployed for the 8 months preceding that report?
I wasn't unemployed, Your Honor. I was just helping my baby mother going through postpartum and dealing with the kids. I was still working,
Well, you told them you were unemployed. Reports being unemployed for the past 8 months.
and I don't know why I put that, and I shouldn't have put that in. I've been working since January 2024.
All right. Lisa, you don't see any of those other warrants. I think you just answered my question. You don't see any other warrants cleared out of the locations I just mentioned, right?
I'm just running it right now. Give me 1 second.
Take your time.
No, I don't see any other warrants.
You don't see what?
I don't see any other warrants.
Well, I'm just saying, see the lien in here, but probation reported open warrants issued the 37th District Court, 16th, 28th, 34th, and the 52-3 District Court. Do you see any of those warrants on this lien now?
No, I just ran it and I do not see any warrants.
Good. All right, well, anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
He did not spend any time in jail on this, correct?
No.
Where's the child now?
She's going around.
I'm sorry,
She's going around.
was your mother and child here?
No, she wasn't. Someone else came and picked her up.
It's supposed to mean like you become a professional thief. 200 fines, 400 costs, 75 victim drugs, $50 justice assessment, 7.25 and 40 days jail. You'll serve 325 more if you don't pay your fines and costs. I'll let you pay those at the rate of $75 per month. And I will let that start beginning on June the 15th. If you don't have the money at any point, you call the court. I'll be happy to give you an extension. You have 21 days to reopen it.
All right, that wraps up the first part. He was sentenced to 365 days in jail, with 40 to serve and the remaining 325 suspended. Considering his criminal history, I'd say that's a pretty fair outcome, but he clearly disagrees and is about to make his situation a whole lot worse.
UOB 716-3361. Mr. Bryant, you need.
My area is Brian.
Listen. I'm not going to put up with you yelling and screaming back there anymore. If I have to call you out here again, I'm going to give you 30 days for contempt on top of the time that I just gave. Period. You don't get to act like that. I hope you clearly and fully understand me. If you don't, I'm going to have you out because I would hear you again. And then I'm going to lock you up for 30 days. And we're going to do this all day long. You're not going to make a scene here in the courtroom. That sentencing, if anything, was too light. I'm not playing with you,
How is it too late?
Mr.
I have a judge that I gotta go to felony court. This is district court. I got sentencing on felony court. Knock it off.
All right, I think I get why you're so upset now. District court ranks lower in the judicial hierarchy than circuit court, so he figured that since he pled to a felony in circuit court and only got 2 years of probation, there was no way he'd get jail time for pleading to a misdemeanor in district court. Well, as the saying goes, when you assume, you risk getting yours body slammed in court.
Knock it off. And go tell them. You have 5 or 6 felony, you have 5 or 6 theft offenses, you're breaking into people's cars. Just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days. I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good, come here, contempt the court, bring him up.
No, bro.
You're gonna send another.
You're gonna get. I got people saying, you know, I don't care. You know, people stop for killing. People run over flat. Stop running shit off. At all. At all. So I got started on Monday night. You got fuck on my system. Oh my man.
All right. Settle down.
You off, man.
Go down.
No, I don't want to take bro. Take me to the box. Take me.
We don't like it. We don't.
Stop resisting. Like I got kids that I never ran in my life. I'm making in their die. You keep making it seem like I'm just a thief. I got broke. I was like, what you doing? I got broke. I think I'm worse.
Knock it off.
Hey, listen.
Right again.
You're making it twice as bad.
Mr. Bryant, go back in the bed. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, except for the initial jail term. One more word, and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
How many days?
Enough. Enough. Just control yourself.
Okay.
Stop stealing.
I really like this judge. Strict, fair, no frills, and absolutely no nonsense. And being the sarcastic 9-year-old at heart that I am, I can't help but appreciate the sharp, snarky little comments he slips in.
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Enough. Just control yourself. Stop stealing.
Alright, is that ready? Start. Roll. Go left side, go the other side. It's real good father out here, real life, bro. And y'all just be locking the fuck up for no reason. I never understood that, bro. For the women, a woman can do anything, bro. Don't let it go. Be good. A woman be good, bro. Good, bro.
That's why you know.
That's not what it is. I can't talk to you anymore.
Normally, this is where things would wrap up, but even after the judge essentially let the contempt slide, he just couldn't keep his mouth shut during his walk of shame to jail. Voice 8. If he keeps up that attitude, those 40 days in jail are going to feel a whole lot longer. Anyway, that's the end of today's video, and I just want to take a moment to thank all of you who've been watching my content over the years. I genuinely appreciate you, and strangely enough, I kind of love you guys. So, thank you. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If not, hit dislike. And don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe with notifications on so you won't miss any of my content.